Alright, welcome everyone. So on this video, we'll be talking about an e-commerce website. So this is an e-commerce website just like Jumia. So let's scroll down, let's check the features. So these are my products and this is the sidebar. So if you click on beauty, it should take you to beauty products. If you click on all, it should take you to all of them. There are 8 products. Computing, to computer, electronics, should take you to electronics. Then grocery should take you to grocery. Then home should take you to home appliances. Then phone should take you to phone appliance. Alright, so can I go to all to go back? Now here you can search for, let's say search for phone. Okay, it's loading. You can search for phone. Okay, let's say laptop. Anyway, it's still loading. So let's check other parts. So this is recommended. You can sort by anything you want to sort. So here is search. So here is cards, this order. So let's just start. The first thing is to register or login. So let's click on here. So let's say I want to register. So I'll just register. This is my email, my password. Okay, let me enter again. So just click on create account. Okay, it already exists. So let me put something else. I've created this account before. So create account. Now I've created this account now. Just go to home. Now this is my account, I'm logged in. So let's assume I want to order for something. So let's say I want to order for this laptop. I just put this price as 15 naira so that I can test it. Okay, so let's check this. Click on view. This view. So this Samsung Galaxy A14. So you can add to carts. You can see my cart has been increased by 1. The orders. So let me go back. Let me add something again. Let me add this. So you can see my cart's items are not 2. So if I want to pay for it, I just go to checkout. Alright, so here I can fill my information. So put your phone number. Just for example, this is my phone number. Then the address, let's say Lagos. Okay, so I think I'm done. So the next thing is to go to pay with Paystack. So it's going to give you can see, but the reason why it is showing test here is because I'm using I didn't put live keys. I'm using Paystack for my payments gateway. I connected Paystack for my payments. Okay, so the reason why it's showing test is because I just put the test key. I didn't put live key. So this is just for sample. Now when you host your website with a particular hosting platform and you put your Paystack live keys, it's going to show you like normal bank transfer. So if you want to pay for this now, it will show you a real bank name, a real account number. Once you pay, you click on I've paid the money, I've sent the money, or it will automatically direct you. And once you paid, it will show they'll send you an email. So let me just click on I've sent the money. So you see, you can see this is what I'm able to do. sent. So it's waiting. It takes some time to show received. So let's see. Once it show received, I will get an email. So let's wait. So while we wait for it to compound, I think the reason why it's showing like this was I've not put my paystack keys. Okay, so I'll do that later. So let's come back to the website. So you can see my order now, login, admin. So here is admin. So admin here, you can add products. So let's assume I want to add a product. So let's say I want to add Techno Spark 530. So category, let's say it's 4. The price, let's say is 100, 123. The image now, you can get the image URL from particular website. Then this is the description. So let's say phone, let's say good phone with lasting battery. Okay, so this is the compare price. So let's say 200,000. Right. So rating, so let's say 5. This is the rating. Okay, so let me add the URL image. So I'm coming. So hold on. So we can't add product from this admin area because the image, my product images are from my local storage. So I don't think it's possible right now, except we add it from our codes itself. Anyways, so if you want to change some images, you just go to the folder. For example, I want to change this particular image. I will just go to the folder. This is the folder. This is the folder. You can see now if I want to change the image, it's in public. So for example, if you want to change your image, these are the images. So I can just I can download another image here. So let me download another image to replace this. So let's just say chair. So let's say chair, office chair. So let me just get this. So let me download this. Okay. So let me save it. Now let me go to the folder. Let's see if it's there. Now this is, so now I have to replace, I have to rename this with this name so that it can take effect. So I'll just right click. I'll click on rename. I'll copy the name. Okay. So I can delete this now. Chair office, that's the name. So I'll rename this now. Paste it. Chair office. So let's see if it's going to reflect. Let's go to our website. So let's refresh. Look at what is here right now. This modern chair office. So let's refresh. Let's see. As it has changed. So this is how you can replace your product images. Now let's get to So I created this website, a web app using ChatGPT. Okay, and this is the prompt I used. I'm going to leave a link to the prompt on the video description, so you can see you are a senior full stack engineer. So for you to get, just copy this particular prompt and paste it to your ChatGPT. It's going to give it to you. Okay, produce the same UI. So if you can screenshot, good. If you can check my video description, you will see it also. Okay, so let me just scroll down. I'm going to leave it. So this is the prompt to get exactly my website. All right, so I'm going to leave it. Now the first thing to do is to, I'll be using my desktop, right click. So now click on new folder. The folder name, I want to name it as, let's say, e-commerce web app. That's the name. Now you go to your VS Code. I'm using VS Code, so I'm going to, okay, let me create a new window. So once you open it, you have a new window like this. Once you open your VS Code, you have something like this. So I'm going to click on this place, welcome. Now go to file. Let us create our files rather. Click on file. Now new file. What are the files to create? We'll create index.html. Now click on desktop. My folder name is my desktop. So the name of the folder name is e-commerce web app. So click on it. So index.html is created inside e-commerce web app. So that's that. Then number 2, styles of CSS. So styles.css, click enter. The same folder. Then the third one, app.js, in the same folder. Okay, so let's create something inside this. Let's open the folder. This is the folder. These are the files I've created right now. So let's create a folder. Okay, let's create folders. Okay, let's check the one that I created. Now let's see, this one I've done. So let's just check it. We're going to create 3 folders, one for data, another one for node underscore modules, another one for public. Okay, we won't create this one, we'll get it by ourselves through downloading. So let's create public and data. So let's go to the folder. So right click, so click on public. So let's create another one for data. Okay, let's see what to create again. Okay, so let's see under public. Okay, under public is where I have all my files. Okay, under public I have images and I have the rest. Okay, let's go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight these three files, put them, copy them inside the public folder. Let's open public now. So they're inside the public now. So inside this public I will create images folder. So images, All right. So now let me copy my images from this place. This is my images. Let me just copy them. So copy them. I will leave the link to download everything. So this, I want to copy it to this place. All right. So everything just the way it is named. So you can change your name if you want. So these are the items. All right. So let's see the next thing to do. So the images. All right. So let's see the accounts. So we've created, and let's create accounts. So these rest ones are HTML files. So create account.html. So let's go to all right. So I just close those files because since we copied them to another folder, so it's showing error. So now let's go to file, click on open folder, and let's open that folder. Okay, so Ecommerce web app. So click on select folder. Okay, so this is the folder, right? Under public, click here, you see your files, right? Good. So under public, now let's create our files. Close here. So now under public, now we can click on this place here, new file. So accounts.html. Then after account.html, what do I have again? Let's see. Okay, admin.html. So we have admin.html, admin.html. Then we have auth.html, cat.html, auth. So we have auth.html. We have cats.html. What again? Products.html. Product.html. So product.html .html. So how many do we have altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 altogether. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's see. Do we have accounts? App.js. Do we have app.js? Do we have accounts? We have account.html. Something is missing. Oh, checkout.html. So let's see. Checkout.html. Checkouts.html. Alright, these are the files we'll be needing for that particular one. Let me check. Alright, so let me stop recording first. So this is how to create, this is how to install your Node.js on your computer, on your system. Go to open your VS Code, go to view, then go to terminal. So this is terminal. You see this is your folder, right? We click on this place here, then click on git bash. Yes, git bash. So this is what we're going to paste to install it. Alright, so this is it. Widget install you. Let me type it. So widgets install space. So widget, sorry. Widget. I think so. Let's see. So that's widget install space E hyphen E. Hyphen E. So let's see. Then space hyphen E. Sorry, hyphen ID rather. Hyphen ID. Then space openjs.node.js. Openjs. openjs.node.js .node.js .lts. So .lts, then what again? Space hyphen source, space hyphen source widget. I think it's correct. Winget. Okay, so that's that. So you click enter. No extra line. So you just click enter. I think this, yeah, so it's installing like this. So this is it. So you can see mine found an already existing package already installed, trying to upgrade. So I've already installed mine already. Okay, I've installed mine already. So once you do this, it will ask you if you want to make changes to this computer. You click yes, then you close your VS Code and open it again. Then after that, you will now test if it has been installed. So if you want to confirm if it has been installed, you can see mine is showing it's already installed. So you just type this without space and enter. Then just type node space hyphen v. So you can see showing that I have version 24.12. Do you understand? So you must install this before every other thing. Alright, thank you very much, and I wish you the very best of luck. Alright, so we've created this. Now let's see the next thing. We also create files for our environments, but let's leave those ones first. So you can see, let us get our files. So this is the one I've created before. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just copy the files. So from our accounts.html, I'll just copy it from here. I'll paste it. Account.html. So I said I got all these from ChatGPT, so you can also get yours from ChatGPT. So I'll just paste it. So, and you can edit it the way you want. Account.html. So let me see the next one. I'm going to leave the, so this admin.html, admin.html, app.js, app.js, app.js. Now let's next one, alt.html, copy and paste, alt.html. Okay, so let's do the next one, cat.html, cart.html. So this is how you're going to just be copying and pasting it, but you can edit it to your taste. So that's cart.html. Then checkout.html. Checkout.html. Alright, so checkout.html. So let's the next one. Index.html. Index.html. Now let's do the next one. Product.html. Product.html. Now the next one, which is styles.css. Styles.css. Okay, so we are done with this, with the things in the public folder. Okay, so now let's see the next things to do. Okay, we're done with public. Now the next thing is we have to create other files. Now these files are in the root folder. You can see now this is the root folder. I'm going to create something called orders.json. It is under data. Under the data folder, we will create a file called orders.json. So under the data folder, let's see. So this is data orders.json. Orders. Don't know if that's correct. Yes, order.json. So after data, then okay, now in the root folder, I'm going to create our .env file, which is our environment file. So .env. Now click on, you must have something like this. Don't click on any folder, just click on it like this. So just right click, new file .env. So .env. Okay, so let's come here. So this for the environment. I'm using Paystack for my payment gateway. So you just can make research on how to create Paystack accounts. Now the secret key, you're going to put it here. For example, from this whole place, if you want to use test key for testing, you can use test key to start with sk test. If it's live, it will be sk live.live _live. So whatever you have supposed to start with sk, you put it there. Then the public key, you put it here. Then when you host your website, the email, put it here. Use the email, use the password. Then the store owner email, your store email, then your store name. Just fill this out. This for testing purpose, and if it's for live production, you can put your live keys. I'm using Paystack. You can as well use other payment platforms. So let me copy this and paste it in my environment. So paste it here. Okay. All right. So the next thing to do now, Okay, let's see the next thing to do. This is our environment. Now, I'm going to create what's called server.js. Server.js. Now, root folder, server.js. So, in our root folder, so let me do this. Good. Just click it like this. You must have this box. Right click, server.js, server.js. So now server.js, let's just copy this. So I'm going to paste it. Okay, so let's do the next thing. Server.js. Okay, now package.json. Now these are the dependencies we're going to install. So what I'm going to do is just to copy this. Let me see. So what I'm going to do is you copy this. Let's create a file called package.json. Package.json. So come here, right click, new file, package.json. Package.json. So I think I've copied it, paste it here. No, that's not it. So come back here, package.json. These are the things I'm going to install. Okay, so I'm going to install them. So just paste. I'm going to install it from our terminal. So let's see. Okay, so these are package.json. So the next, so just copy and paste this. So the next thing is to install them. We need all these things, Azure.tnv, Express, and all. Alright, so come to your, okay, just go to view, go to terminal, okay. So we're going to just come to this place here, this drop down. I'll be using git batch. Alright, so we just enter this npm install. So you're going to install all these dependencies. So npm install. So let me pause while it installs. So you can see it is installing like this. So alright, so it is done installing. You can see added 79 packages and audited 80 packages and all. So these are the stuffs. So now you can see that by this by the left hand side, you can see a new file, package log.json. So let me open it. You see these are the dependencies that have been installed. Okay. All right. So that's that. I believe we are good to go now. This orders.json. This is just like its local storage for you. So I was not supposed to copy it from here. I copied it. So I'm just going to delete. So I'll just delete. So what I'm going to do is just to put this file. Yes, just put it like this. So whatever you order is going to be displayed here. So let's confirm if what we have been doing is correct. Let's see. So I think we're done. Now the next thing, like I said, if you want to create this website, you can just use this prompt, and I'm going to leave it. I got this whole code from the ChatGPT. So Okay, so you're a full stack. All right, now let's open it. Go to your, this is my file. So let's see if it's going to work. For us to open it, go to your public. You go to index.html. So click on open with Chrome. Open with Chrome. So let me close other things. Alright, so just right click, open with Chrome. Now you can see it opened very well. Alright, it opened very well. So let's see. Now can log in, can register. So now let's do this. Let's register at gmail.com. So let me put password. So you click on create account. So just like we did in the beginning. So this is it. You can also add more features, edit this to your taste if you want. Now let's confirm that orders. Let's try to order for something. So view, let me try to add to cart. Let me say click on buy now. So let me say this. Let me say this. So let me say my number. This is my address. Let's say Lagos. Let's say Lagos. So pay with paystack. Okay, so for us to go here, let's go to local host 3000. Local host 3000. Yeah, local host 3000. So just click on what you want to order. Local host 3000. So view. So buy now. So phone. So email. So address. Let's just say Lagos. Then city. Also say Lagos. Alright, so now let's pay with paystack. It's loading. It's loading. Alright, so like I said earlier, you just have to, this is the testing that we're showing test. You can put your live keys, host your website or web app on the hosting platform. Then you can host it on Vercel, you can host it on, you can host it with any hosting platform. So whichever way, when you have confirmed everything, you can click on I've sent the money, and you see sent. It's going to show received after it has been received. So please, if you like this video and you want more videos like this, please leave a comment, leave a like, tell me areas you want more tutorials on. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends, your loved ones. Do not forget, check the video description. You will see the code, the prompt, the images, everything. So please share this video to your friends, your loved ones, because these are the things that can make me continue going. Alright, thank you for your support. Now let's check the orders now. Let me see if it has changed. Let me see. Okay, let me see something. Let me pause it. So you can see payment verified successfully, receipt to be sent by email. So if you check the email I used to purchase the item, it will send me an email there. So I've purchased something. So I don't know if you're going to show you my orders. Let's see my orders. Let me do npm. So Control C to cancel. Come to your this Control C cancel. So let us say npm start. Okay, hold on. Alright, for the orders, this is not what I'm putting. We're putting this. Yes, this is. We're putting this. So our orders will be showing here now. Alright, so let's try now. Let's order for something again. I order for something now. So let me pause this first. Alright, so let me click on pay with paystack. So I'll just click on I've sent the money. This is testing. So once it has been received, you see what's going to show. So please like this video, share it, and also leave a comment on the types of tutorial you want. Now if you have any issues, you can always use ChatGPT to check for your errors, for debugging. You can use ChatGPT to explain to you every step. Do you understand? So this is an era of AI. You don't have to be confused. If you have any issue, you can always copy that particular line of code to ChatGPT. So let me not waste time. So that one has been placed. So I'll place an order. So let me see if it's going to show. So right now it's not showing. So let me order something. Go to checkout. So let me enter my full name. So this is AAA. Then this is at gmail.com. Then phone number. Let's say this is my number. Then let's say this is my address. Then let's say this is my address. Okay. So when you click on pay with paystack, it should bring your orders now. So you can see now this is the order now. So your files are stored locally. So you can see now. So this is what I just entered now. This is the email. Okay. Okay, so you have not payment setup pending. It has not gone through. Okay, so if it has gone through, to show successful. Alright, so that will be the end of the class. So if you have any question, you can leave your questions in the comment section. So once it shows successful, this payment setup will show successful. So you can easily be coming here to check your orders. This is local storage. So later on you can use MongoDB or other databases. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you very much. Then okay, there's something you can see right now that you can see that the shipping fee right now is showing 0. You can always change them. So let's say Ego is public. Okay, I don't know where it is. Let us click on Control F to search. Just search for shipping. Alright, so this shipping. So you can see this price here, 15 naira. I can change it to, maybe I want it to be 2,500 naira. So just save and refresh. So let's refresh. Okay, let's go back. Let's see. I don't know if it's working already. So view. So buy now. Okay, let me just click here. Control C. That's to cancel. Then npm starts. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. Refresh. Alright, so since it's stored locally, for you to really check the effect, just go here, open it with Chrome. So you see the effect just now. So these are my cards. So just you can see now it's showing 2,500 naira. So anything you want to edit, you can just search for it and edit. So you can see this is the URL, then see this one. If you want to make payment, localhost 3,000. Alright, I believe this is helpful. Let's see. Alright, so that's how to work on everything. You can change the image to the image you want. You can change anything you want to change. Just search for it, and just search for anything you want to search for. So let's see. I want to search for the normal store. You can see that's the name. So just any question you have, you can just ask me. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye for now. See you in the next video. Like, subscribe and share.